In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix TikTok not opening on phone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget it, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, check the storage in your device. For that, go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Next up, hit back. Now update the TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check for software update in your device. For that, launch settings, go to General, go to Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it to its latest version. Next up, what you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Likewise, completely delete TikTok from your device and reinstall it. With these, your problem will be resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.